गोव्याची जीवनदायिनी असणाऱ्या महादेईबाबत सरकार गंभीर नसून मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत व केंद्रीय मंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक हे गोव्यापेक्षा कर्नाटकची बाजू जास्त घेत आहेत। त्यामुळे महादेईचा गुंता वाढला असून या दोघांनी आपल्या पदाचा राजीनामा द्यावा व कर्नाटकात जाऊन मंत्रिपदाची शपथ घ्यावी असा टोला काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकर यांनी हाणला।
म्हादईचेर गोवा सरकार हो कर्नाटकाचो सरकाराचो एक भाग असो वागला। म्हणजे गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री हेणे गोंयच्या आवयचेर अन्याय केल्लो आसा, गोंयच्या आवयचेर अत्याचार केल्लो आसा, गोंयच्या आवयचेर फटिंगपण केल्लें आसा आनी तो वागला कर्नाटकाचो वॉटर रिसोर्स मिनिस्टर असो। म्हणजे तेजी जी लॉयल्टी आसा बीजेपीच्या सगळ्या लिडरांची, मुख्यमंत्री आणि मुख्यमंत्र्या बरोबरच आमचो केंद्रीय मंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक, दे हॅव बिकम पार्ट अँड पार्सल ऑफ कर्नाटका। They have no right to continue as the representative of Goa. They have lost it. They cannot continue as the representative of Goa. They better take a formal oath of office in Karnataka government. And Sripad Naik should resign as a North Goa MP. And he should be re-inducted as a minister from Karnataka. The behavior of our two top leaders, especially the Chief Minister and Sripad Naik, looks like they are representing Karnataka and not Goa, because they have not defended our case in the court. The silence of our lawyer on this matter proves that our Chief Minister and Union Minister have been representing Karnataka. They have sold whatever was left. Mr. Parrikar has done agreement for sale, and these people have done sale deed. This matter is over for us. The government cannot show just this helplessness. It is well thought conspiracy against Goa. I don't know at what price they have sold it, how much Mr. Sripad Naik and Mr. Pramod Sawant has got from Karnataka. It will come out, because we know they will sell anything for money. First we thought it was a political compromise to win them the elections. Now the elections are over, everything is over. At least thereafter they could have taken the stand in favor of Goa.